Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Medchem Companion channel. Today we will discuss the basic concept of nucleophile and nucleophilic center. What do you mean by nucleophile? So nucleophile is nothing but an ion or a compound that have capability to donate its lone pair of electrons. Here in ions, this hydroxyl ion have lone pair of electrons on oxygen atom. And this oxygen atom bears an extra lone pair, that's why here negative charge is mentioned. So this ion have ability to donate its lone pair, that's why this hydroxyl ion can act as a good nucleophile. In the compound, there are some neutral compounds which do not bear any charge, but still they can act as a nucleophile. So here this is the structure of water molecule. So in water molecule, oxygen bear two lone pair of electrons. So these lone pair can be donated to some other atom or groups or species while making the bond. So this water molecule can act as a nucleophile. Apart from this compound, there are some other compounds which bear pi bonds. So in alkene and alkyne, you see over here, in alkene there is one pi bond, in alkyne there are two pi bonds. So these pi bonds can also act as a nucleophile, because in pi bond there is highest probability of finding the lone pair of electrons. So this pi bond can also act as a nucleophile. Now what is nucleophilic center? So nucleophilic center is nothing but the actual atom which bears this lone pair of electron. The actual atom which have this lone pair of electron is actually a nucleophilic center. So in hydroxyl ion, the oxygen atom bears the lone pair. So oxygen here is a nucleophilic center. Here in water molecule, this oxygen bears two lone pair of electron. So in water molecule, only oxygen is a nucleophilic center, not hydrogen. In this compound, the lone pair is not bear by any carbon atoms. This is actually present in pi bond. So here pi bond act as a nucleophilic center. Now we will take an example and try to find out the nucleophile or nucleophilic center. So here is an structure of a organic compound, and we have to find out the nucleophilic center in this compound. So we can see, we have already know that nitrogen bears a lone pair of electron. So here nitrogen bears a lone pair, so this functional group can act as a nucleophile. Apart from this organic compound also have pi bond. So this functional group can also act as a nucleophile. So this compound bears two nucleophile. One is nitrogen atom and another one is this pi bond. So there are two nucleophilic center in this organic compound. So this is all about your nucleophile and nucleophilic center. In the next section we will discuss electrophile and electrophilic center. Thank you.